中文发音 Chinese pronunciation. We continue with basic vowels. By the way, so I uploaded like the videos about the basic pronunciation of Chinese, so please don't forget to follow my channel. Hopefully these videos could be helpful for you guys to improve your Chinese pronunciation. Thank you. Okay, let's continue. So today we'll talk about letter E in Chinese. There are 3 different pronunciations of the letter E in Chinese. Let's do that one by one. Okay, the first one, letter E itself is pronounced in Chinese. That's a unique one actually. That's not the English schwa like or nope. The Chinese one again, the tongue position is higher and backward. How to pronounce this? Okay, first you need to pronounce the English letter A. A, right? A. Then just stop with the first part, like A, right? So we do not really need that E part, just the first one. Yeah, like the in French, right? Français, that sound. Yeah, we need that sound. Then hold your mouth. That's very important. Hold your mouth. Don't move your lips. And then hold your mouth. Try to pronounce like the O in English, British accent, British English. You know, O, like thought, like OR, or like bought, that O sound. Okay, first, hold your mouth. Yes, that's a Chinese. Yeah, you get it? Okay, if you can speak French, that would be easier. So for French speakers, so use the French letter R. You can find the Chinese So R first, and then hold your throat. So get rid of the vibration of your throat. So yeah, that's a Chinese Okay, let's see some words with letter E. For instance, color, 颜色 颜色 and cola, 可乐可乐 Germany, 德国德国 feature, 特点特点 car, vehicle, 汽车汽车 restroom, toilet, 厕所厕所 guest, 客人客人 Okay, that's a first pronunciation. So letter E itself is pronounced right? Okay, the second, if letter E after letter I, letter U, letter U, the pronunciation is like bed, red, that letter E, like in English. For instance, IE in Chinese, 耶 So right? 耶 So UE or UE, the same pronunciation. U, and then letter E, 约 So 耶 约 For instance, some words like midnight, 半夜半夜 Spring Festival, 春节春节 Sticker, 贴纸，贴纸 ，Thank you， 谢谢，谢谢。To snow， 下雪，下雪。In March， 3月，3月。Okay, the third pronunciation. So if letter E itself but neutral, that means no like tones on it. It's not it's neutral, right? Or in like en or eng, that one it sounds the same as the English schwa, just For instance, E itself but neutral, means en, right? En, and eng, So this one is easy for English speakers, right? For instance, like neutral E, like came, 来了，来了。Forgot, 忘了，忘了。Male, 男的，男的。Another, other, 别的，别的。Think, feel, 觉得，觉得。And then en or eng, n or n. 朋友 friend, right? 朋友。Turn on the light, 开灯，开灯。Body, 身体，身体。Forest, 森林，森林。They, them, 他们，他们。Morning, 早晨，早晨。Okay, let's review all three pronunciations of letter E. So the first one, so letter E by itself is pronounced Yeah, for instance, 可乐, right? 可乐. Yeah, that's Okay, the second, so letter E, but after I, you, or you, the pronunciation is like the letter E in bed, red in English. So I-E, ye, U-E, or U-E, the same. 约, 约. Third one, so letter E by itself but neutral, like no tones. Or in en, eng, letter E is pronounced So n, 你学会了吗？ You get it? By the way, don't forget follow. Thank you. See you.